Hey family, we're here at Winstar World Casino playing this AGS, this RAKIN Bacon Deluxe game. And we started off with $100. Did a couple of spins at 176 and triggered a bonus. Cross your fingers, wish us luck. Get this little hat. Come on, Piggy. Oh, hold on. I'm back up. Hopefully we can get those top reels to unlock. Alright, we need 2 of the symbols to open it up. Oh, come on, do something. There's one. We need one more. Oh, something's happening. Come on, blessings. Blessings. Give me piggies all the way across. Retrigger. And we got envelopes. We'll take it. Envelopes all the way across. $38. Oh, cut it out, piggy. Let's go. We need one more to unlock that next row. Oh, there it is. Come on, let's make it to the top one time, family. Oh, we need 2 more to open up that next row. There we go. Almost re-triggered. Oh, come on, one time RAKIN Bacon. There it is. Okay, we opened up one more row. It's gonna start getting big, guys. Oh, we need those piggies to come out again. Retrigger. We need 3 more. If we can open that up, we'll get 5 free spins. Oh, come on. 2 more spins. Let's hope not. Retrigger. Last spin, guys. Ouch. Alright. 64.40. We'll take it. Can't complain about that. $1.60. $1.76 bet. Worked our ticket up to $1.60. 160. Let's give it a couple of backups while we're here. See if we can retrigger it. Oh, we needed that piggy to fly. Fly by. Oh, now you show up. Look at this. Look at this. It's just throwing them in my face. Alrighty. We'll give it 2 more spins and then I'll bring you guys back if we get another bonus. Trying to get Fatty there to pop. Oh, look at this. It keeps giving me the... Let's go 352 for a couple of spins. Oh, now it's the second one. Dilly-dallying with me. Alright. The diddle and the daddle. Alright. Alright, we'll be right back, family. If we hit something, I'll bring you guys back. Oh, hold on. Nice little $23 hit. We needed them all the way across. Alright, we'll be right back. Alright, guys. We continued on. This was after cutting off the camera, so we got the piggy to pop, and let's see if we can get one of those. That's what we want. Run away and hide. We don't want you. Oh, we don't want you. Come on, we'll take the minor. That's what we want, though. Major boosted. No mini, no mini. No mini. That's what we want. No mini. Minor, we'll take it. $95, guys. 97. Okie doke. Yeah, I didn't know Piggies rode horses, huh? Alright, we doubled up. Let's give it a couple of backups. Alright, we'll be back, family. Look, family, we sat down at this RAKIN BACON game in Odyssey and triggered 4 bonuses with Piggies. And that's $494 just for the trigger, guys. I wasn't able to pull out my phone in time, but we're getting it now, so huge win. I got the bacon it rain feature, and I almost got the 5th trigger. It stayed up at the top, but here goes our bonus. Cross your fingers, wish us luck. Come on, Piggies, there you go, right away, give us arrows. There you go. Come on, Piggy, bring your other arrows, twerk some. There we go, Piggies. Yes, sir. $24 in Piggies right there. We need more arrows, more arrows. Oh, come on, re-trigger. We need some more arrows. Oh, come on, Piggy. Where are my arrows? Twerk something, twerk it. Oh, there we go. Is that a re-trigger? No, we need a re-trigger. Oh, freeze. Oh, we got wilds. What is that? Boats. $40. 200 and oh, that's a big win. 192. Another huge win. Good Piggies. Come on, twerk some. Give us some more arrows and a respin. Yeah, we got one more spin, but we need a re-trigger. Let's enjoy this huge win, guys. Yes, sir. Come on, re-trigger, re-trigger. Oh, no re-triggers. That's okay. We'll take it. $769, guys. Thank you so much. Let's give it a couple of backups and we'll be getting up. Alrighty. Okay, we'll give it one more and we'll be getting up. Thank you guys for watching. Hit that like and subscribe.